Hello YouTube, Jibs here. Today we're gonna take a look at this cat pressure washer. We're gonna do the unboxing and quick setup. Now let's begin. This cat electric pressure washer is manufactured by Active Products Incorporated. They are also the manufacturer of Active Pressure Washer and Simone's that is sold in Canada. Designed in Canada and manufactured in China. The machine has a 2-year warranty, covers the unit and accessories. This is a 120 volt 13 amp machine generating 1800 watts. It has a high flow, high pressure 5-piston aluminum pump generating a peak pressure of 1800 psi and water flow which goes up to 2 gallons per minute. This pump design uses the patented 5-piston technology. It effectively spreads the workload across more pistons. This spread of workload enables more water flow at a given level of pressure force. And here are some of the benefits of 5-piston pump. Extended pump life, maintenance free, 30% increase in power, 30% decrease in vibration, and 20% increase in cleaning. It is a powerful cleaning machine in compact, space-saving, easy to transport design. It is useful for different jobs around the house, ranging from stairs, deck or patios, driveways, garage floors, fences, sidings, lawn equipments, and washing vehicles. It only weighs 23.10 pounds. The male plug should be attached to the machine and the female should be attached to your garden hose. Now you can easily connect and disconnect your garden hose to your machine. Please note that this machine uses a non-standard connection, which is the M2215, and the standard connection is M2214. Here I have two options for the water outlet. Later I'm gonna tell you why I have the second option. This second type of connection is optional. The reason why I'm showing this to you guys is that if you plan to upgrade your hose to something like this that has a fixed connectors at both ends, a male plug and a female coupler. As you can see, I'm putting the female coupler to the machine so that you can put the male plug of this hose. And you can use the female coupler side of this hose to your gun. For the gun, it's the same setup as the water outlet. It also uses M2215. If you plan to use the original gun and you want it to have a quick connect and disconnect, here I'm gonna show you how. Now you can use your gun to connect your nozzles. With this kind of setup, you can also connect your foam cannon. And if you want to use your wand to your newly set up gun, here's how. This setup will let you use even the original foam blaster. Now you have a complete quick connect and disconnect setup. Guys, if you like it, I'll leave the product links in the description below. And in the next video, we're gonna test the actual pressure, GPM, and power draw. So stay tuned! That's all for today, guys. If you like this kind of video, please hit like and let me know what you think in the comment section below. Also, please subscribe and ring that bell. Again, Gypsy here saying, take care and may you have a great day. Peace!